Air ducts messing up your indoor air quality can seriously wreck how fresh your home feels, so you gotta fix that fast. Okay, so first thing, check your air filters and don't just ignore them. Swap them out every 1 to 3 months depending on how dusty your place gets. Next, seal those duct leaks because if air's sneaking out, you're wasting energy and letting in dirt and allergens. You can use mastic sealant or foil tape, but avoid regular duct tape since it falls apart fast. Also, schedule professional duct cleaning every couple of years to clear out all the dust, pet hair, and mold that builds up inside. If you've got pets or someone with allergies, consider upgrading to a HEPA filter or one with a higher MERV rating to trap more tiny particles. Don't forget to keep vents and registers open and clean so air flows freely without obstructions. Lastly, maintaining your HVAC system regularly helps avoid problems with air quality and keeps everything running smooth. One of the biggest mistakes people make with air ducts causing poor indoor air quality is ignoring leaks. This lets dirty air get sucked right back into your home, so sealing those leaks is a must. Another common problem is not changing filters often enough. Dirty filters can't trap dust and allergens properly, so stick to a regular replacement schedule. Lastly, skipping duct cleaning is a huge issue, because buildup inside the ducts can trigger allergies and even mold growth. Getting a professional clean every few years keeps things fresh and healthy. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know how to handle air duct and HVAC jobs right. It's also a great way for contractors to find real work from people who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.